Hey guys, in this video we are going to review the Bissell Powerfresh Deluxe Steam Mop. If you want more information, please start the video. Features. The very first thing you will notice is the overall design of the steam mop. On an aesthetic level, it has a simple design. You might even describe it as minimalist due to the way the design emphasizes only the most important elements and overall attributes of the vacuum. All of the buttons are clearly marked, and there is a great sense of clarity that permeates throughout the entirety of the design. Weighing just 6.2 pounds, you can easily pick up the Bissell Powerfresh Deluxe Steam Mop, and you can maneuver it around your room space with immense ease. The water tank that is attached to the mop can hold up to 16 ounces of water. You'll find the water tank near the top of the device. With a small handle, you can easily open up the water tank, and then, using a cup that Bissell has included, you can pour in the exact amount of water needed, which is 16 ounces. Using the device itself is also very easy. The Bissell Powerfresh Deluxe Steam Mop uses something known as swivel steering. Essentially, this just means that you can swivel the mop head by moving the handle around. By doing this, you can more easily go underneath furniture and into narrow and tight spaces, ensuring that you clean the entirety of your home and not just some of it. One unique thing about this steam mop is the fact that Bissell has designed it so that it can clean, with complete effectiveness, all types of hard floors. Hardwood floors, marble floors, ceramic floors, linoleum floors, granite floors. This feature alone gives you a great deal of versatility and flexibility. To aid in this, there is the swivel steering feature, as well as the fact that you have a 25-foot power cord. Unlike other steam mops, you won't have to constantly plug in and then unplug the power cord when you are cleaning a much larger space. Because of this, you can clean many different types of rooms and spaces with the Bissell Powerfresh Deluxe Steam Mop. During the cleaning process, you can choose how much steam you want to produce. For example, if the floor isn't that dirty, you can choose a lower setting. Or, on the other hand, if the floor is really dirty, you can choose the higher setting so that the steam can loosen up the dirt and gunk, making it easier to mop. For those dirtier spots, there is an on-board brush known as the Spot Boost brush, which is specifically designed to clean those spots and spaces thoroughly. On the mop head itself, there is a small space that is used to store small discs known as Spring Breeze fragrance discs. While mopping, these emit a nice fragrance that makes your floors and your home smell very lovely. Pros: leaves behind a refreshing Spring Breeze scent after cleaning. Eliminate 99.9% of germs and bacteria. Board Spot Boost brush removes tough and sticky messes. Digital control for the steam. Cons: not suitable for a wooden floor. Cord doesn't rewind automatically.